In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count cells with text in Google Sheets. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the top right corner, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. From the panel that opens, choose Sheets. This takes you to Google Sheets, where you can access your files. Open the spreadsheet you want to work with so we can set up the count. Once your sheet is open, click an empty cell where you want the result to appear. This is where Google Sheets will display the number of matching cells. Now start typing the function by entering COUNTIF. This formula counts how many cells in a range meet a specific condition. Next, we'll tell the function where to look. After typing COUNTIF, you can highlight the range of cells you want to search. Click and drag over the rows or columns that contain your data. If your list might grow over time, it's fine to select an entire column so the count updates automatically as you add entries. You'll see that range appear inside the parentheses. After the range, type a comma to move on to the criteria. Now type your search word inside quotation marks. For example, you'd enter asset. The quotes are important because they tell Google Sheets you're searching for text, not a named range or number. So your formula now looks like COUNTIF selected range, asset. Finish by adding a closing parenthesis and press enter. You'll immediately see a number in the cell you selected. That number is the count of cells in your chosen range that match the text you provided. A couple of quick tips to help you get accurate results. COUNTIF with a plain word like asset checks for an exact match, so it will count cells that are exactly that word. If your cells contain extra characters or phrases, consider using wildcards like asset with asterisks. This helps match text that appears anywhere in the cell. Also, the text match is not case-sensitive, so asset and asset will be treated the same. Be mindful of leading or trailing spaces in your data. They can affect exact matches, so a quick trim on your data can help if counts look off. And remember, if you included header labels in your range, those might be counted too. Adjust the range to exclude headers if needed. That's it. You've opened Sheets, placed your result cell, built a COUNTIF formula, selected your range, added your text criteria with quotes, closed the parenthesis, and confirmed the result. Your count will update automatically as your data changes.